Hi guys, this is Shalika and I'm a BI developer. Today I will talk about data connections available in Power BI. So let's get started. In Power BI, we have few options available on homepage like get data, Excel workbook, one plate, data hub, SQL server, enter data, and few more, right? So where to get started, right? So basically, if you want to see the whole list of data sources, we need to go to data, get data. And if there are some quick and frequently used data, which is more used in Power BI, then the links are available here also. So we can, even if it's Excel, we can go to get data and click on more. And here we can see on the window open in front of us with the name get data, we have few tabs available for the different categories of data that we want to import in Power BI. And here is a full list that Power BI supports. So data connectors are available for almost all the servers available here. And if you want to search any specific on-premises or cloud-based data source, we can search here, let's say Azure related data source. So we will see all the Azure data sources in front of us. If you want to select data bricks, then we just need to click here, connect. Currently, I don't have access to Databricks, so I'll just connect to file and then go to Excel workbook. So what will happen here? We will just need to choose a file. So I'll choose the sales data set. So once we try to import any data set, there are some analysis being done before the entire data gets imported on a desktop. So Power BI shows us this preview option here, and here we can preview, and we can see that here all the data, which is split into different tabs, is in the tab names are also visible here. So we can see that which ones are of use while working on any particular report, if not all, and if not just, any particular data source is not required, we can just import any one tab. And here are two options available for us: load and transform data. So load means that entire data gets loaded into Power BI, then we can work on that data to work on any report. And the transform data means that we can do any data transformation, any data filters can be applied, any rows which we want to remove or we don't want to be imported in Power BI because there will be performance issues if we import all the data which is not required. So the better way to work on Power BI is that we can import and do the data transformation before we do the load process. Okay, so for now we can if we don't require any data transformations, so we can just click on the load and the data gets imported in Power BI, and we can check all the data tabs, and so it will show us here the progress that the data model is getting created, which means the data gets imported and it is converted into a Power BI data set so that the processing is fast. We can work on our reports. So this was about the data connections options available in Power BI. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll continue to meet for another topics of Power BI. Thank you.